Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to adjust ringtone volume on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, scroll down if you want to adjust ringtone volume. So you will see ring volume is there. If you want to increase ring volume, so you will see increase from here. If you want to decrease, so decrease from here. You will increase or decrease ring volume from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.